everyone, my name is Nirman. I am 6 years old and I am in grade 1. Today I would like to tell and show about my project which I have worked on creating a happy birthday tune and its display using a Microbit toolkit. I have used music, tones, show strings, and icons to create this project. There are two buttons, A and B. Once I press the button A, you can hear a happy birthday tune. I have used okay. I have used tones. Okay. I have used tones for music to create this tune. Once I press the button B, it will display a happy birthday string followed by a big and a small heart icon along with the age, which is number 7. I have used show strings and icons to create the display for the button B. I the reason I selected this project is because it also helps me with my piano learning. That's all for today. Thank you for hearing me.
Wonderful work, Nirman. That was really amazing. You did a little heartbeat as well there.